Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, I have bought a new recipe for you all and it's called creamy Malai chicken tikka. So let's get started and check out this beautiful recipe. So here I've taken the boneless chicken and these are the required ingredients which I'll be blending on a mixer grinder, and after that we'll be adding it on the chicken. In it we'll be adding now ginger paste, garlic paste, cream, curd, black pepper powder, jeera powder, garam masala, salt, and give it a very nice mix and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you can place it on the oven for at least half an hour, and on the meantime add 1 tablespoon of butter and give all the marinated masalas which has left and cook this for at least 10 minutes in low flame. Keep on stirring so that it doesn't touch on the bottom, and after 10 minutes the creamy texture is perfectly ready. And on the same time, here the Malai chicken which I have kept on the oven, it's perfectly ready. You take it out and add it on the prepared masalas and give it a very nice mix. In this way, in low flame, cook this for at least 5 minutes. After that you can off the flame and it's ready to serve. The creamy chicken Malai tikka is really very tasty. Do try it and enjoy this beautiful recipe. Thank you.